on us building the most important product for national security, which might be semiconductors, high-tech semiconductors. We were seeing record numbers
Kain tayo.
of fab manufacturing construction. That is to say,
Kain tayo.
factories that will build
Hello mga Inday. Ang ganda ng weather day. Oh, ang ganda ng ano. Ay, hindi niyo makita ko. Ayan ang kulay niya. Oh. So, pag dito ka banda, madilim na. Pag ganyan ka maliwanag. Punta tayo sa baba. Sama niyo po guys. Maglalakad tayo. Kasi, I'm very very sick. Nahihilo pa rin ako guys. Sa totoo lang. Samahan niyo ako dito. Ganito yung view dito guys. So, ganyan tayo ha. Wala kasi ako ma-content. Kaya ganyan tayo. Ay, may langgam. Diba? Ang ganda. Kita niyo yung view dito guys. So, it's really dito kami humingi ng mangga. Ayan. May mga tao dyan. Mga friend namin yan nandyan. So, yan ako kayo. Balik ta rin natin yung ating ano mamaya. Ganito na guys. Paggabi na dito. Wala kasi akong dalang ano. Kaya dahan-dahan lang tayo. Maduduling kayo dyan. Huwag kayong maduling. Medyo gabi na ngayon. Kaya, ay. That's my sister.
Ayaw, may matutulong pa isa.
Medyo kaya ko na maglakad guys. Medyo hindi na masakit yung tiyan ko. Pero I need pa rin na mag-ano. Susunod kung ano yung pwedeng gawin. Ay, so mag-try ako. Kaya sunod na lang tayo. Tayo natin kumain ng mga ano para makalabas yung ating mga mga laman sa ating tiyan. Malapit ako doon tayo bibili ng ano guys. Doon tayo bibili ng barbecue. So, see you later din. Kita nyo yan guys. Malapit na tayo sa ating barbecuehan. Ayan, bili tayo dito.
Ano gayon? Ano? Ay, sabihin ko sana eh.
Bili tayo ng barbecue.
Magmamountain Dew pa yan eh.
Umalis diba sa lugar na yan?
Grande yaban.
Hindi na maka-ulit kasi.
Tigara intercode si Kara.
Ingat po.
125. Tigara ikin ko ay.
6, 8.
120 na. 120 na lang sa'yo.
Ay, 6 pa lang pala.
Lakas ng busina.
8 pala yung bibili. Oh,
125. Iter ko 120. Tanong ko mo. Sige, tanongin mo. Sige nga, punta ka. Sige, sige lang.
Wait lang, ma. Mabili mo ko ano Mountain Dew.
ayan. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7,
Walang internet dyan. Nag-converge kami.
May sabi akong pinjo.
Ilakad mo naman yung convert.
Oo naman.
Kaya pa wala internet dyan. Bigyan kita ng komisyon.
Sige, yun. Magkano pa nalo ni Emily? Magkano cash out niya?
Oh, tama na.
Ay, oh. Kaya. Ay.
barbecue sa kanto.
Not just in a random way, but with targeted subsidies that got us building the most important product for national security, which might be semiconductors, high-tech semiconductors. We were seeing record numbers
Kain tayo.
of fab manufacturing construction. That is to say,
Kain tayo.
factories that will build
More losses to come. It means there's blood on the floor somewhere.
Kain tayo. Meron tayong munggo.
Where there's debt,
Nating munggo. Luto kasi yung boss ko ng munggo. And then, meron tayong
point number one. Point number two is that
barbecue. So, let's eat. Teka lang. Ang ating sausawan is
we're nervous about the world. We know that there's a kind of a paradigm shift coming, and they were reflecting that. Yields were going up, which means you get paid more for taking the risk.
hindi na tayo mag-social-socialan yan. Cowboy ini.
Bond market was already thinking.
Diba guys? Wala akong rice. Sa'yo ko mag-rice. Kasi kailangan tayong kumain para meron tayong ilalabas bukas.
Back to the first question you were talking about, Bruce, Ron, do you have a sense of where people will see
Huh?
this first? I'm going to go to the store, and the price for this is what's going to be higher most quickly.
Yeah, for sure. You'll see it first in perishables, in food and agricultural products, things that would need to be imported on kind of a day-by-day basis, and then you see the price hit quickly. The things that will take longer will be, complex products, things like cars, things like certain kinds of white goods, computer products, where the retailers and the manufacturers might have a lot of parts that are already in stock,
Huh?
and so it could take weeks or months for them to need to import more, and then you'll see those prices begin to rise. And by the way,
Dami ng barbecue nila guys.
I find a little bit of silver lining here. There is
Nakamalambot yun. Malambot yung barbecue nila.
is going on even as we speak. So, automakers, computer
Minsan matigas, ngayon malambot.
trying to figure out if there are tariffs below us. And
Ano to?
we get our buys
Ang
in.
tawag nito?
In a way, it's going to be a really interesting real-time experiment in how quickly can we
It's not liempo. It's kalimutan to tawag. Ang sarap yung talaga ang nila. Suka nila.
Right. I mean, people are struggling right now with the real-time experiment. Ron, great to see you this morning. Thank you for explaining everything.
Kulang pa nga to kasi mahal medyo siguro yung sibuyas kaya wala masyadong sibuyas.
Faced tough questions on Capitol Hill yesterday. He's back on the Hill this morning, just as Trump's new tariffs set in. China sitting back in a big way. One of the lawmakers who will be questioning the U.S. trade rep is our guest. We'll get to that next. And an urgent search is happening right now for survivors after a terrifying nightclub roof fell in on top of concert goers. At least 113 people are so far confirmed dead. And the Justice Department is now launching an investigation into the largest egg producer in the United States over the price of its eggs.
Antarctica is known to have the largest population of penguins in the world, but not all penguins live in snow and ice. Some can be found waddling along the balmy shores of southern Africa. But in the last century, populations of the endangered African penguin have plummeted, due in part to human disturbance, egg poaching, and climate change.
On the island in the 1970s, there was 23,000 breeding places.
Kung may sili oh.
Counting about 1,100 breeding places. It's quite a severe collapse.
Hindi maanghang yung sili
In
nila.
2016, the African Penguin Nest Project dived to the rescue.
Ano pala yun?
An effort between Dyer Island Conservation Trust and other organizations is
Yung hang naman to, hindi ganun kaanghang.
artificial nests that give penguin parents a safe and cool place to raise their chicks.
Thank you for watching guys. Yun lang muna ha. Kasi ayokong hindi. Ito pa kumain. Nakatatlo ito. Grabe, tatlo yung nakain ko.
or just generate buzz. You're in the Eureka sector, which is where the smaller companies are allowed. Countries
Okay.
their showcases here, but it's fun because the wacky ideas are here. You're going to check it out. Whether it's assisted
Mendikit ba?
or enhanced, this year AI is everywhere. Don't go with that. Canadian startup Got has created what it calls self-driving glasses for the blind that use AI to help navigate any environment. Usually, if nothing goes wrong, you have to set it on well. Hands-on demos are
Mahang na.
experience. My life in your hands here. Seeing, in this case, not seeing is believing. Oh my God.
Wait a minute nga. Madam yung gagawa kasi ako ng tea kasi as I said na talagang sakit ng tiyan ko. Kumakain naman ako, hindi ko alam kung talaga siya masakit. Iba yung sakit, guys, para kang basta iba. Parang nagka-cramp yung tiyan ko. Yung una, akala ko na ano ako, yung bato ba, buti na lang nag-consult ako sa doktor. Ay, yung sabi niya, baka daw ano, hindi ako makadumi. Oo nga, hindi nga ako nakadumi na ilang araw na. Sarap. Thank you for watching. Wala na, guys. Ubus na. Dito suka na lang. Pero marami pa akong suka. Bukas. Meron pa tayo nito. Oh, ang dami. Ayan. 3 pa sila. Sobrang yummy. And meron din kami dito. Ito yung niluto namin ngayon. Munggo. Hindi ko pala nakita sa inyo, no? Pero yun lang yun. Munggo. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.